speaker of the day. So we're going to be hearing from Bobby Lin, the co-founder and CEO of Zest MSP. Bobby is known for his extensive experience in creating organizations, including his previous role as co-founder and president of Lime Tree Labs. With a passion for service and delivery and a deep love for the MSP space, and he's a great guy. He brings a wealth of knowledge from his time in both small business and Fortune 500 companies. So, Bobby, the stage is yours.
All right, thanks, Bobby, CEO of Zest MSP. Go Zest for short. We are a PSA, new PSA in the market. I just want to bring up our UI and our sexy look, and just nice and clean, and also simple. The main thing that we try to provide is a simple way for you to work in your MSP and to be able to do the things that you need to, other than spending all your time in your PSA or a bunch of time in tools when you should be working on your business. Our background, founders for Zest, we have over 30 years of experience in this industry. For us, we never found a good PSA out there that worked for us. It was always missing something or wasn't specific to the MSP industry, which is a big deal, as we all know. It's hard to make a decision, like we just heard, especially with the industry and the different awards. And it's so vendor driven at times that it's hard to really be able to make a decision and be able to see what's different out there. And the other thing too is all the things that we looked at, solutions we were trying to find were bloated and outdated, and it seemed like they only worked for massive MSPs, 5% of the industry, and they were expensive, and of course had those grisly chains of a contract that it's always terrible to work through. For Zest, we like to make sure that you as an MSP are growing through service delivery. We all know that really that is how you grow and scale in this industry. It's growth through service delivery. Sprinkle some sales and marketing in there, but that's where most of it's going to come from. And so we want to make sure that Zest is a PSA that helps you manage the business of service delivery. With Zest, you'll quickly know if your customers are good, if everything is going well with their IT environment. Current solutions right now are thick with complexity. It takes a lot of time and resources to be able to manage them and work through them, and it's continual. It's just over and over. Again, we are a simple solution that helps you cut through all of that and lets you focus on what you should, which is your customers, your tech training, and your employees, and your overall strategy of your business. That's what you're able to focus on. Zest is ready to go right out of the box, very fast onboarding, and ready to go reports. Just use it, and you have all the reports at your fingertips. There's just not a lot of setup or anything that you need to do. And going forward, there's not a lot that you need to do to be able to use Zest. We like to think of it as a complexity killer. We feel that most PSA softwares out there are over-engineered, hodgepodge of capabilities. They often require complex configuration conducted by specialists to become usable. So we all know, hey, quit complaining, just go hire somebody for 50 or 60K to come in and set it up for you. And as MSPs, we all know that's ridiculous. It's not real. It doesn't work. And so Zest was built on the premise that a PSA should be tailored to the needs of the MSP managers and technicians. It should be working day one right out of the box. Take the pain out of your MSP. Make sure that tracking your client health is easy. Make sure that tracking technician work is easy. Most technicians just hate working in their PSA. And so minimize that. That's what we've worked towards, to make something simple that minimizes the pain of working in your PSA. Again, some visibility into Zest. This is our dash bar. This is one of our shining stars. It is within the dash bar. You see it on every screen that you're in. If everything's all green, you know that everything is going well with your customers, with your SLA, your tickets, your tasks. It's all going well if everything's green. It becomes gamified in that way. It's Christmas time right now, so you'll hear a lot of technicians, the MSPs that are using Zest will say, no Christmas lights, keep it all green. But your dash bar lets you keep track of your new tickets, overdue tasks, tickets near near SLA failure, your average urgency score, which is unique to Zest, trademarked in there, and then also your customer health to know how your customers are doing. Are you keeping in touch and have a relationship with your customers? Zest helps you do that. The work feed is automated. It pulls up your top 3 tickets or tasks, things that you need to do, the most important things that you need to get done. So instead of looking at a long list of 50 tickets that you have to do or 50 items to do, all that kind of stuff, we hide all that, and you've got your 3 most important that pop up that you need to do. It's a dynamic list. And we have found that customers of Zest MSPs using this, their ticket metrics across the board improve by just using the work feed. Just clear out your work feed. And we find that techs and engineers are a lot happier working in that way. And the solution we feel is, with Zest is it has everything in there for your business. You track your employee time, profitability, and it helps you enforce your business process. Really, with time tracking, it's a big one in Zest. You want to be able to know where all your time is going, just because it helps your customers, it helps you make decisions. And it's ridiculously easy to track time in Zest. Of course, and then why Zest? The 3 legs of the stool helps you with business management, customer management, employee management, all those things that you as an owner of an MSP need to know, or if you're managing an MSP, all the things that will help you to be able to keep the customers happy and keep everyone on the same page. And so just a couple of testimonials. It's true. We're moving as fast as we can to find a replacement for, and I took that out. As important of a decision as it is, I've been thoroughly displeased with the PSA market. Zest is absolutely a refreshing experience, even if it's a new platform. I think you guys have the right idea, the same frame of mind as we do. And then also from Havana Joe, Zest has quickly become a partner in my small business. This is a must-have tool if you are an MSP. So join us in the breakout room. We tell all of the people who are using Zest, become a dragon slayer. No contracts, no minimums, great pricing, and just get rid of the complexity in your business. Love the channel program. Thank you very much.
Excellent. Thank you, Bob.